Hello friends, I'm gonna tell you how to convert any website into Android application. So here we have application sketchware to create Android application. So we just simply click it. It's taking a while. So here is its interface. So we click on plus button. Here we have to type application name. So we just simply type uh, Google Web. Here we can also change the package name, the project name, but now we are not. Just simply click it. Here we add. Now change the width, match parent, and padding 0. Now add the widget web view. uh, Now on the logic area, on create, we add on view load URL. Where is it? Load URL. We add it here and select the web view 1, load URL. Here we type google.com. Simply press back button. Now on back press, add it here. This we add control here. Web view can go back. If can go back, then go back. It's the logic. Now simply finish activity. Ensure we have selected every. Yeah. Now simply go back. Now just run the application. App is building. Simply install it. Open it. It's taking a while. So we can see, friends, here's the Google website into app. We can type, we can search everything here. So it's looking nice and very fast. So thank you friends. I hope you like this video.